2008 Kia Rondo, and today we're going to be removing the driver's door skin and replacing the master window switch. Let's get to it. And utilizing our interior trim removal toolkit that has these hard plastic pieces, I'll start by removing the cover inside right here. There we go. And so we got a Phillips right here. Got another one right here. Another one right here. And there's one more right here. See, this one's already missing. And then we got a last one right here inside of the handle well. And this one is a very soft rubber. So I'm just gonna use the metal tool for that one. And pull all those aside. Start by removing the screwdrivers. Keep those two separate from those three. They're a different type of screws. And then pull that cover out, like so. Do my final check. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Good. Go ahead and grab from this corner right here with the speaker and start popping these things out. Once you get to this point, you can pull out and lift up. And your skin is off. Just reach around here, unplug your master switch, and I think this is the Yeah, that's the side view mirror power control switch right here. There we go. And then last but not least, and right here you have your gas door cap button. You just follow this wire up and you can see you have your connector right here. Press right there and pull apart. And the skin is removed. And then the fun part, removing all these Phillips head screws to get this panel out so we can access these lock tabs. Should be two. Should be two on each side. There's two tabs, but obviously you're not going to be able to get these ones because of how close this in. So you have to remove this whole piece of skin to get that out. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 screws. So I'm not going to waste my time showing that on camera. I'll be back in a second. And with the control unit piece removed from the arm guard on the door, you can see we have these pins right here. It looks like there's only one on each side, which is good enough. What you're gonna need to do is you need to put a screwdriver, a flathead, right in there and pry one side up and then switch over to the other side and pry that side up. And you'll be able to pull this pretty much straight out from its confinement. I'm gonna see if I can't do this on camera. Probably easier to go in on the sides a little bit and then work our way to the center because they give you more room on the sides. I'll try to show you what I'm talking about so you can see. Here's where you want to get to, but if you go on the sides, you have more room to squeeze the tool in there. And just be as careful as you can about these, because you don't want to break these tabs off. There you go. And there's our old one. Ta-da. Alright, we got our new master window switch. We're going to go ahead and slide this into place. This takes a little bit of wiggling. And you should hear a nice popping sound. There it is. Nice. Go ahead and check everything. Make sure everything is working the way it's supposed to. Making sure that you're not having it grab onto any of the edges for any of the new components you just installed. And this is looking pretty good. And that's pretty much it. You did it. Knew you could do it. Didn't doubt for a second. If you'd like to see more videos on this 2008 Kia Rondo, go ahead and check out this video. I made that just for you guys. Other than that, this video helped you out. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.